数学、数学。数学 is mean mathematics. The first kanji 数 is mean the number, right? If you learn many kanji, you will know that the kanji of 数 is mean from the kanji of kazoe. Kazoe is mean count the number. And this kanji mean the number. 数 is mean number. And gaku is mean learning or studying or science. It mean learning or studying the number. Or it mean the sign in the number. So that means if it put about the number with the sign or with the studying, so it means mathematics. So in here we have the example like 私は数学が苦手です。私は数学が苦手です。It means I'm not good at mathematics or I'm not good at math. 苦手 is mean not good. So if you want to say good at math, it mean 田中さんは数学が上手です。田中さんは数学が上手です。It means 田中さん is good at math or 田中さん is good at mathematics. 上手 is mean good at. 苦手 is mean not good at. So it's very easy to create a sentence by using 数学. Right.